Alright, so I just got a major clog on my A1 Bambu A1, right? And I can't get this one out. It's thin out and it's really hard. It's stuck. So right now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna try to take it out right now with this. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna grab it from here. See if I can do it, but you gotta be careful. I don't have something to actually hang this thing up. Let me see. Oh, there we go. Unlock this one. Run this out a little bit. That's a tip. Get something you could do with this, any sharp stuff that you have, but this is a little hard because there it is. Let's see if I could try to push it out and then slowly bring it out. Slowly, it's coming out. Yeah, it's coming out. I'm gonna try again. Do this away from everything. Right now, I'm doing it here real quick. Before it cools off. Steady hands. And then let it cool off. I'm gonna let it cool off for a couple minutes. Try to see if we can get this out. I got this little sharp tool. I bought it, right? But it's a little cheesy because it's falling apart, if you guys can see that. And somebody 3D printed the head, but this thing could come off anytime, so you can create your own. I have a Allen wrench that I use all the time. It's easier because I actually pull it out. Because this one's a little hard. Let me cool it. Let me see if I can take it out now. You got to be careful here. Look at that. There it is. Came out perfect. But we're gonna run it one more time to make sure that nothing is in there. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So what happens when you buy like some filament that it's glitter and everything, has a lot of stuff that it sticks to this thing. And this is a hard filament. It's PLA, but still, let's burn it off then. So we're gonna come up here outside, burn it off completely. There's one piece. Look at the whole thing. Might as well stick it in there. Steady hands. I think we got everything. Let it cool off. All right, so we're gonna try again, but this time we're gonna take the nozzle off. All right, and this thing is, see that you need this tool, right? So there it goes. There it goes, the whole thing. There. Don't lose it. Be careful when you're taking it out. Let's see what's stuck, and then look at this, completely coming out. Let's see what's stuck in there. Then I'm gonna take this out again. Can't even see through. Yeah, there's something stuck in there really good. So on the nozzle itself, you can't even see the bottom of it. When I move this a little bit, so I gotta move it back. It's hard. It's hard. We'll move it back right now. But definitely, let's run it from this side too. See if I can push it down. See if we can push anything out of here. So I'm gonna hold this like that. I don't have no space in here. First, let's clean this out. Make sure that we can pass through this whole thing. This is more concerning because I can't see. I'm gonna pass a needle through here. Look at that. That's a lot of filament in there. Stuck around the wall still. Let's go in and remove it. Still a lot of filament all over the wall. I'm gonna burn this out right now. I'm gonna burn it out here. Okay, let's bring that sucker here. Keep turning it. No, there it is. Got some more of it. Oh. It's still stuck in there really good. Might take out the whole thing too. Yeah, we're probably gonna do that. Let's do that now. Yep, felt some filament there. Yep, going the opposite way and I feel something. Something's definitely there. You know, try to unclog it. And this one should be fine, but I'm still gonna run the tip here. See if I could grab anything out of there. Well, I had to heat this up to take this out, but look at this. Took a bunch of it out. We're gonna put it back in there right now, but let me burn it out some more. It's like the 4th time I do it. So there is a lot of filament and I still can't see the point right now. And this thing won't come off, so I have to heat this up in order to get it out. So in fact, look at this. See? It's stuck in there and it's hot. And I try to touch it. Come on, come on. Nope. So heat this up. Heat it up and then it's gonna let it go a little slowly. See? But look at all that filament. It's a lot of it. I'm making progress slowly, but let's burn this off. Finally passed through. It took a while, but that was a major clog that we had. Major clog. It went through now. So look at this. Got a big old piece now. And I'm gonna continue to heat up some of it. There we go. So what I'm gonna do is heat up the tip here, this part right here, right? Just a little bit, enough where I can pass it through a couple times. So once we grab it here, keep passing it by, see if it grabs more. There, see, look at that, all that. It's cleaning it out, but there's a lot of it. Jesus, we're gonna have to burn some more stuff. So it's stuck in there. There's a lot of it. This is a major clog. Let's try to get rid of all this filament. All right. Before the heat runs out. Major clog done. So we got that one done already. It's clear and you can see it through it. Yep. Yeah, let's see if we can see through it. I'm gonna put it on the light here. There it is. We're able to see right through it now. So before we couldn't. Now we unclogged it. Now let's put everything back. All right, we're running at 221, 220, 230, and we're gonna start doing the extruder. We're gonna bring it down, see if we could see anything coming out of it. So now let's see if we unstuck everything. So at 230, But finally I got it working. This filament, because it has like a lot of sparkling, it tends to clog up a lot of these machines, so just be careful, be aware that you're going to be unclogging it for quite a while. It took me two burns just to get it to this point. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, check it out.